Good morning, Pure Structure traders. Today is July 28, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I'm going to be giving you some of the major levels I have here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of her minor levels. Once that's done, I'll go over gold and also oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Other than that, let's go ahead and pop into it. So for S&P 500, got some main levels of resistance: 4405, 441150, and then 441725 as the main peak to the upside. My support on major support is going to be somewhere around 43.80.75. Down below that, I'm going to be looking at 43.73.50 and then 43.67.75 as areas for the market to catch the support to try to continue the bullish run. But right now, coming up against that level of resistance, 44.05 as the area that I'm probably looking to see if we stall at. With that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels on her chart.
Yes, I will. Okay, we're going to start from London because that's what we do. And we're going to start at a support area for me at, where's your support, Dave? I'm sorry, I missed it.
Right now, my support's gonna be a little bit lower. I got a main level 43.80.75 down below. There is a level up above, but uh, we're above a
Yeah.
level of resistance 43.97.25 for me.
Yep. Okay. I got that support. And then there's one above it that is 81.50. So that's where I'm going to start at 43.81.50. Now let's take a tour. Let's go up. Where's our first peak? 43.89. That is our first peak. You can see how the market used it real early this morning, Pacific Standard Time, for support. Yeah, it danced around it a little bit, went exactly on top of it, and it went below it a little bit, and then I don't care. You just get in wherever your risk management tells you to get in, but it's used as support for a further move up. That's peak number one. Peak number two is 43.95.50. And you can see how the market in London, yeah, it went below it a little bit. That's okay. Don't be afraid. It's bullish. Enter according to your rules, get in and carry it up. I did get in. I got in at the rotation of 96. Where did I take my first profit? At the third peak, 44.02. That's the first area I'm going to take profit because I'm going to see a pause there. And I did, not much. One bearish candle, big deal. We're not afraid of those. Where's the second area? 44.08. That is resistance from the 23rd. It might want to go through it, but that's an area where I'm going to trail it on up to. So there's our peaks for the day. What we want to do now is either wait for the market to come back down to 95 area for a support. And if it doesn't, then we're going to wait for the market to skyrocket above the O2 and use that as support. If not, if it's not going to use any of these, then we're going down. So those are the micro peaks for this morning session. And I'm going to hand it back to you, Dave, for oil and gold.
Awesome. All righty. So moving over to gold, you can see we touched the main level of support 1794. Been a very nice support over the past couple days. So keeping that in mind, I do think that we're going to probably try to move further up. So we'll see if this wants to retest our resistance up above 1801.7 and then above that 1805.3 and 1808.6 as the next levels. So we'll see if this shoots back up from here or if we come back down to 94, hold that support, and then maybe get a nice bounce from there. Let's move over into crude oil for you guys. Crude oil seems like it's in the same area, resistance 72.43. We're ranging right now. So again, for this one here, you want to sell high and buy low. In this case, resistance at 72.43. Support's going to be between these areas, 71.30 to about 70.98 as the area of support. So these are going to be the two areas that we're probably looking for the market to find the support and find the resistance right between those two areas. So we'll see what we have here on oil as well, if we get any real movement there. Next level up, 72.90 as resistance. With that, guys, let's go ahead and prepare for the, oh, well, get into trading. Actually, it's already open. That's
Ding,
cute.
ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, there you go.